Now, if you notice, we are not getting any update on our part name right here. So we have not loaded the saved value into our running recipe values. So what we have to do is we essentially have to go up here and let's go back to our 3 because we've talked about that one a couple times. Okay, so we're back at 3. We're at van001. Now what we need to do is we need to load this, which this is acting as like a confirm. You're saying like, are you sure you want to do that? And if you want to add extra layers or even password protect this, so that way only certain people can load in different programs, especially on the save as. Save is actually a very good one to have password protected because you don't want anybody overriding your recipe values. And we'll even do stuff where we will have a whole entire array of data that essentially gets stored ever so often.